Hello and welcome back to Sherwood Park Toyota. Today we're looking at a 2021 Toyota Tacoma SR5 in the color gray. Let's take a look. So underneath the hood here we have a 3.5 liter V6 engine, automatic transmission, gets up to 278 horsepower, 265 pound-foot of torque. Of course the front is where you have your headlamps, daytime running lights, and fog lights. And to move along to the side here, you'll find your black alloy wheels, side mirrors, your factory running boards, and all of the rear windows do come with factory tinting. On the rear doors, you'll find the SR5 trim level badge, and in the back we currently have the bed lamp turned off, but it can be turned on or work automatically with opening and closing of doors. You'll also notice that the middle panel here of the rear windshield is inset a little bit. This is because it is adjustable to slide open. We'll take a look at that in a moment. You also notice the hard tonneau cover covering the bed of this Tacoma. Then approaching the back, we have the V6 and 4x4 plaques, as well as the Tacoma logo. Looking underneath, you'll find your spare tire. And then looking right next to your handle is where you'll find your backup camera. To open it up, just release the handle on your liftgate, and it can soft open from there. Take a quick look along the inside of the bed. On the right-hand side, you'll find additional storage and a power outlet. And then to close it up, just reach down and bring up the tailgate to lock it back into position. Next, let's take a look at the inside. Taking a look inside here, you'll see your internal upholstery is the gray cloth with this nice texturing detail in the middle. You'll find up top next to the headrest this little release latch. If you give it a tug, you'll be able to access the storage behind the seats. Same strap exists on the other side to access on the other side seats storage. Same thing underneath, but you just reach your hand into the back of the seat, lift it up, and you'll be able to access these little storage bins on either side. On the back of the front passenger seat, you will find the pouch storage. Back of the console has your cup holders, and currently we have the Toyota branded rubber mats throughout the unit. Good amount of storage in the rear door here, plus a look at that dual tone interior. Then moving forward, taking a look inside the driver's door panel, we have the power windows for front, back, and your child safety lock, power lock system, and side mirror controls. Front driver's seat is electronically adjustable, back front up down lumbar support, hood release latch on the bottom left hand side of the dash. Above that, you have controls for that rear tail bed light. We have your automatic light controls, and then your 400 watt, AC 120, and 100 watt, and then your traction control. Hop up here and take a look at the steering wheel controls. Left hand side here, you have the controls for your scroll of the radio, your volume, and hands-free communication. Right hand side, you have your controls for your dash display. And then on the bottom is your cruise control with your sonar and lane departure. In the middle here is your infotainment display screen. This is where you access much of the information about your daily driving experience, including your optional navigation and all of your audio listening. Audio listening includes AM, FM, and satellite radio, full Bluetooth connectivity, and an optional USB adapter. On the right, you have your tune scroll. On your left, you have your volume. On the bottom is your climate control. We have the dual climate control so that you and your front passenger can have your own unique temperature settings, or you can sync it up to work in unison. You also have your defrost for front windshield and side mirrors, as well as tri-level front heated seat controls for either one. You have your four ways and then your dial for your two-wheel for high and for low. Underneath, you have your ECT power and then your USB and 12 volt. Good amount of storage in the front and all throughout the console space here. You have your gear shift and console in the back, where you will find additional chargers. Then up overhead is your sunglasses compartment, SOS button, and overhead lighting controls. Thanks again, folks, for joining us on this full video tour for this 2021 Toyota Tacoma SR5 in the color gray. It is located here at Sherwood Park Toyota at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta. You can also reach us at 780-306-7703. And remember, life is full of choices. Let us be yours.